If your toilet tank lid keeps slipping or feels loose, it can be super annoying and even risky for chips or cracks. So here's the deal. Usually, that loose lid is just about the screws that hold it in place getting wobbly or stripped. First off, make sure you have the right screwdriver. Usually a flathead or Phillips will do. Gently tighten the screws on the tank lid, but don't crank them down too hard because porcelain can break easily. If the screws won't tighten because they stripped out, try swapping them for new ones that fit properly. Another trick is to put a little rubber washer under the screw head to help it grip better without cracking the lid. Sometimes the problem is the rubber bumpers under the lid that help it sit snugly. Check if those are worn or missing and replace them if needed. Also, give the lid a quick clean to remove any grime. It helps the lid sit more securely. If tightening doesn't fix it, consider getting a replacement lid made for your exact toilet model to avoid any slipping hassle. One of the biggest mistakes people make with loose toilet tank lids is over-tightening the screws, which can crack the porcelain and cost way more than a simple fix. To fix this, always tighten slowly and stop once you feel resistance. Another common issue is using the wrong size screws or no washers, which makes the lid wobble even after tightening. Swapping in the correct screws and adding rubber washers usually solves this. Lastly, ignoring worn-out rubber bumpers under the lid can cause it to rock and slip. Just replace those little pads to keep everything stable and quiet. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the stress. Plus, it helps contractors get more work by connecting them directly with people ready to start their home projects.